So what I have set up here is an automatic backflushing program implemented on the Arduino, which is connected with two digital pins to the solid-state relays that you can see. The solid-state relays are wired into this Elektra machine, one going to the solenoid, the group solenoid that is, the other connected to the pump. So the way this works is that I've programmed it for 3.5 second pump time and then a 1.5 second stop. So when I reset the Arduino, it'll kick off the program and it'll run this 7 times. You can watch the lights blink on the solid-state relay to indicate that they are activated.